Hey there, everybody. Tom's with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, January 5th, and we're going to take a look here at a trade I'm currently in. This is a trade I've been in for a couple of days. We've talked about it for several weeks now in the trading room, and I've talked about it many times being one of the better looking setups we've been watching, and that is Affirm, AFRM. And we are long. We triggered a breakout today, popping through really well-defined resistance here where we had tagged it 3-4 different times right around that $80 level, between 79 and 80. We popped through it today with nice volume, nice momentum. Our MQ momentum shifting back to the upside here. And here's my current position. Well, part of it anyway. I also have $20 or $80 C's for February 20th and $90 C's for March 20th that I'm holding as well from the trigger this morning. So added onto my existing position instead of taking profits, and am allowing this to run because I do think Affirm can get some legs underneath it. We have a couple things going for us. We've put in higher lows consecutively, leading into a well-defined resistance break at a big round number. So far, it's about 240 when I'm recording this. We're closing above the resistance. I want to see it close ideally above 81 today, but really it just needs to stay above 80 today. And I think this could really get going over the next couple of days. Next target I'm looking at is around the 85 level, and once we get through 85, I think we can push all the way up to 90 and these previous highs up here around 92, 93 area. And long term, I'm looking for a push up to like the $100 level. So Affirm looks really good. I think we're in good shape with this. If you've been in the trading room, and you know this is one we've been talking about for a while. I do think this has a lot of potential here. And again, we triggered the breakout today, already up. I mean, again, the stock itself is up 10% today, just about. But looking good for continuation to the upside, assuming we get a strong close at the end of the day today. So again, we really ideally above 81 close, and then worst case, I'd like to see it stay at least above 80 today. But that's it for now. Hope it helps. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if you want to get these trades live, you can join us in the trading room. All you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. And you can try out the trading rooms for an entire month for the price of a cup of coffee. So looking forward to seeing you in there. Here's to a happy and prosperous new year, everyone. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.